Here we go. Here we go. This is brushing time. Everybody learns to be brushed. Unfortunately, we don't get the opportunity to brush one. We get the opportunity to brush at least 6 in one go. Sometimes we get the opportunity to brush all of them. Grandad Benson talking to Jürgen.
No.
Yes? No?
Here's Jürgen. No, it's Freya. Look at the eyes.
Oops, wrong dog.
No,
that was Grandad.
Jürgen.
That was Grandad Benson talking to Freya.
Jürgen's eyes now are darkening.
There we go. Let's have a look at it. Oh, there we go. There's a Jürgen. See, everybody learns to be brushed. Everybody. Yes, including you. Stop being bored. Of course, Mummy Jackie spends more time loving them than she does brushing them. Now we see why Mummy Jackie has to wear a sweatshirt. Although this time, puppies can't steal sweatshirt.
I'll take them out in case they grab it and swallow it. Then you go and play with that. This is when they bite. I have to watch them. That's what I'm going to take the bug because the bite. They're horrible.
Hello, baby. Yes, you're beautiful.
Sorry.
There's Reba. Reba cannot be mistaken for anybody else. Unfortunately, with 4 whites, for me, it is a little bit easier for me to mistake them, but Jackie knows them all.
That's Casper.
There's Casper. Oops.
That's Emmy.
Emmy.
That's Dirty Butt that's now spoken for that needs a bath.
Oops. There you go, Roy and Katina. There's your other one.
That's Emmy.
No, I was pointing at him.
Yeah. Look at him. Yeah, look at the difference.
Yes, see, different colours. They're both white, but they're both different.
She is white.
Oh, you little...
Your mind.
I bet you're Kizzy.
Yes.
Yes, you are Kizzy. I might have guessed. Hello, before.
No, that's blue.
Blue. Ooh.
That's blue. Kizzy's here with
Blue. Believe me, I do actually know these puppies, but it's a bit difficult when I'm being attacked.
These are so alike. These 2 black and tans. It's unbelievable. Sorry, darling.
I've never known 2 that aren't twins to be so alike.
Yeah,
That's you, I'm sure.
yeah.
Is that Freya sat on her own?
Yes. Look for the spot on the chest.
I thought it was. There you go, Lisa. There's Freya. Hiding behind the food dish.
This full of you know what is ghost.
There's your other thing. The one trying to eat everything.
That's Casper.
Yes, there's Casper again. Hello, sweetheart. Yes, you're beautiful. We know you are. We love all of you. We love all of you. We love all of you. Yes. Ow. You've got tooths.
Yeah, you look with him.
Yep, now that's definitely a Jürgen.
That's Jürgen.
That's definitely a
Oh,
Jürgen.
he doesn't pull, he doesn't grab. Not like these hooligans.
We do love them all, honest.
Why have you got butter on your head?
Because she stole your toast. That's why.
Yeah, I give him a bit of toast. And it can't be the butter, because I only put like a very... I'll do one, let the butter soak in. So it's only a tiny bit of butter, do you know what I mean?
So there you go, mummies and daddies. There's the little gift I promised that you would have. There's your little babies. Pink tongues. Everything going. Tails wagging. There'll be photos coming up soon. But for now, this week, video is what you're getting. Okay. Bye-bye for now. Say woof woofs, puppies.
Oh, you got a bit.
Say woof woofs.